Unlock the ideal student living experience at Brookland Road Leicester, the top choice for those seeking proximity to a Leicester University campus. Our residence offers a variety of studio and ensuite apartments, providing the perfect blend of solitude and companionship. Each move-in ready room includes a comfortable bed, a dedicated study area with a desk and chair, ample storage units, and a private bathroom. For added convenience, the studio rooms feature kitchenettes. Now let's talk property amenities. Dive into study mode in the peaceful study rooms where academic brilliance takes center stage. And to top it off, the social calendar is packed with activities that guarantee you'll never have a dull moment. Strategically located just short drive from the University of Leicester and Montfort University, Brookland Road offers stylish student living with unbeatable accessibility. On weekends, explore the surrounding neighborhood, featuring coffee shops like Coffee Club Leicester and restaurants like Burger Leicester, perfect for quick takeouts. Plus, the property is a stone's throw from the Donkey Pub and the quirky shops of Queen's Road, not to mention the nearby Victoria Park, famous for its summer carnival and fairs. Secure your spot at Brookland Road Leicester today. Visit amberstudent.com for an unrivaled student living experience.